Live from London, this is BBC News. I'm Ben Thompson. These are the latest headlines. Russia detains a woman after a pro-Kremlin blogger was killed in a bomb blast at a cafe in St. Petersburg. Russia's Wagner mercenary group claims it now controls the embattled Ukrainian city of Bakhmut. Kyiv insists its forces still hold it. Schools in England face further closures as the UK's largest teaching union rejects the government's pay offer and calls further strikes. From centre-left to centre-right, Finland's Conservative leader Petteri Orpo wins a nail-biting three-way election race, defeating Prime Minister Sanna Marin. And Australia's Prime Minister leads tributes to one of the country's most influential Aboriginal leaders. Yunupingu has died at the age of 74. Hello and welcome to the programme. Now, the killing of the Russian military blogger is being investigated as a high-profile murder, according to authorities. Blogger Vladlen Tatarsky was a vocal supporter of Russia's war in Ukraine.